It is raining, but it is, yeah, a bit crazy me walking around in the rain, but it's worth doing it to do a vlog. A few people are drinking beers today. I wouldn't mind drinking a Carlton Draft. Them's the breaks, don't have a Carlton Draft, it's all good. Happy birthday to my sis, Lisa, and my mum, Diane. I can see some birds. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 of these bastards, so I'm going to say g'day to them. And they can be cheeky. And I saw them with bread the other day. Cheeky little critters. They just want to keep dry, don't they? I love animals, I love birds. They're like, why is the real Paul Milsom filming me? Because I want to. It's alright guys, I'm not going to hurt you. It's all good, mate. Do you want a VB? Do you want a Carlton Draft? Do you want some popcorn? What do these birds eat? I don't know, but they're cheeky little bastards, aren't they, in this Dandenong North Park? Oh, these guys are cheeky bastards, I tell you what. Oh, they've all left the party. There's only 2 of the bastards walking around. They're nice. I'm not gonna. It's okay, guys. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm not. I am a human being. I am bigger than you, but oh, okay. Maybe this guy is accommodating. Is it a female or a male? It doesn't really like me being here. Yeah, he's like, come on, man. This is Thursday. I want to chill. I don't want to be chased by the real Paul Milsom. Anyway, I am walking behind this guy. David Attenborough, eat your heart out. What do these birds eat? Do they eat insects and stuff? Anyway, have a good one, everyone. It's raining, and I wonder if there's going to be thunder and lightning. Who knows? The weather, crazy weather, raining. Who knows? There might be thunder, there might be lightning.